there is no two opinion about this fact that Pakistan has always been, and even today, after having missed many opportunities, green basket, most definitely for our brothers in Gulf states and other parts of the world. For that, we need to really gear up and stand up and accept the challenge. Alhamdulillah, ever since this government has come into being, we have taken certain steps, and it's a long journey. For example, 18,000 tubewells in Balochistan are being now connected to solar energy, and federal government and Balochistan government are jointly sharing the cost. Similarly, after returning from China, we have made a very comprehensive plan, and we are sending, federal government is sending 1,000 agri graduates to China, various universities of China, to get modern training